Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday morning. Weather's finally good enough for me to start going out to meet up some other car guys. Today we're going to go meet a friend of mine who just bought a brand new McLaren 720S. So you may recall a couple of roll race events ago, I had a duel with a 570S and the Shelby GT500. So that was a pretty fun series of races we did. If you haven't seen that, I'm going to put the link to that video in the description of this video, so you'll have that to kind of refer back to. But it's the same gentleman. He just purchased his McLaren 720S. I'm gonna go hook up with him a little bit and check out his car. Hopefully we'll get to see the interior. I'll try to shoot as much of the car for you guys as I can. So let's get going. Cold start time. Oh, we gotta get gas. The price, I don't know. Gas is freaking expensive in California as it is. $4.35 per gallon. For 12 gallons, it cost me $52.90. Taxation in California is the worst. All right, now we're on our way. Pull here. Yahoo! You know, those straight line pulls never get old in this car. This thing is awesome. Alright, here you have a look at the 720S. Thing looks like a friggin' spaceship. Nice seats. It's like your center console is an iPad or something. Toggle switches. Pretty much everything's wrapped in Alcantara. Got these Corsa P0s, 305 3020s in the rear, 245 19s in the front. I like how they have the exhaust coming up from the there. Alright, my buddy's gonna take me for a ride. So what are you switching right now?
I'm going to truck mode.
Oh, okay.
I don't like it when it's, you know, I want to see the numbers.
Oh, okay, okay.
I don't like this auto truck mode, the automatic cover.
Yeah. That's the ride's still pretty. I mean, we're going over bumps and stuff here. You can't really feel that.
No, especially if you're in comfort mode.
Yeah.
It's even, you know, you can do all the bumps. It's like nothing.
Yeah.
Suspension absorbs really well. Truck mode, yeah, you can start feeling it.
Yeah, I'm sure. Because it tightens up the magnetic ride or whatever, right?
Yeah.
So.
Oh, it's right, totally still. But the powertrain, it's like aggressive too. So you can do on regular mode, on auto mode, it's not gonna ship on you. It has to be about 3,000. So if you're aggressive with your feet, it will kill you. It will you know, get you out to like 6,000, 7,000 RPM closer to red light.
Wow. see.
So you do launch, you do just like that, and then launch mode. Yeah, there you go.
Holy shit! Freaking G's, man! G-forces.
And this is the freaking rear-wheel drive too. That's what.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, this is the rear-wheel
Wow.
drive. Dude. It's not all-wheel drive.
So the 570 was an all-wheel drive,
No,
right?
rear-wheel drive. There's McLaren doesn't have.
Oh, okay, okay.
Doesn't have all-wheel drive.
Awesome.
Everything is rear-wheel.
That is badass, dude.
Man, this is what I'm talking about. Like when you're playing around, it was like fun.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But normal driving, man, I took my son. We went from McLaren San Francisco yesterday, and he was falling asleep in the car. It's like I'm driving like a grandpa.
Now, this was awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
We'll see on the half mile. You know, it's my
So what did you do in the 570?
162 on the drop speed, but on my thing I can go like 175.
Yeah, so you can probably
So I can probably easily hit this one too.
Yeah, 171, 175,
Yeah.
180, something like that, right?
Probably. I don't think I can go that high on the drop speed, but it's in this speedometer here, definitely it will go. It will go like closer to 190.
Yeah. Cool. It certainly makes my like manual cars feel so archaic, you know? When you do something
Well,
like
that's
that.
the thing now. It's like all the cars now, dude. It's just yeah, just pull that. No, yeah, pull it.
Oh,
Yeah, it will click, and then you just push.
oh, I see.
Actually, yeah.
Cool. Yeah, the exposed carbon fiber stuff is pretty awesome. Like even this right on the door, you can totally tell how the carbon fiber weave is right there, right?
Everything is like they can at the top. They make money off of it now because if you want it exposed, that literally show me you're gonna pay extra.
Yeah,
On the first year, everything is exposed.
Yeah, yeah.
Like you know, they're like for free, and then now they know. Oh,
People
will
think it's the
yeah.
cool thing or whatever, right?
That's
So
why they did this. See how they did this thing? They see
yeah,
something.
it's
a little
like
bit
raw carbon fiber,
yeah,
basically,
so,
right?
But if you want it totally raw and this one will come out,
Yeah,
you're gonna pay extra on that freaking stupid shit.
yeah. Oh, that 720S was badass. I didn't realize how hard the DCD hits and how fast it hits. It's nuts. So that was awesome. You know, I want to thank my buddy Robert for giving me a ride in the 720S. That was phenomenal. And I figure we end this video with a quick romp on the back roads with the GT500 because I make my way back home. So here we go. year, so we're gonna do a bunch more racing. The Viper's being built, and we'll have a lot more fun out there this year. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.